Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a feeling that this last month was been just as busy for you as it has been me. And I have a feeling also that you might have missed something that we released on our website this month. So I want to do a quick recap just to make sure that you saw everything that we released. Now, number one, the first item that we released, and you know what? Chances are, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you missed it, and so I'm kind of sad. But if you're not in the Fold It Club, you got to join now so you don't miss the next one, is this fun Happy Birthday Fold It. So that kind of started out our month. And it was very popular. We got a lot of new club members this month because of this one. It's so fun. It's so wavy. It's so awesome. If you missed out on this one, I'm sorry. Join the Fold It Club now so you don't miss out on the next one. They're not available on our website unless you're in the club. Then we released our Stamp and Die Hard Club set, and look at how fun it is. It was all about the chips. Tortilla chips. Yummy, yummy. And let me just say, they were so much fun. I'll be using this set for a long, long time, including with my sombrero Fold It or my piñata Fold It. So much fun. But look how cute that is. Now, we also released add-on sets that were potato chips because you can't have just one, right? So here we have our potato chips, which are so fun. And we released our fun chip bag card that is even so much fun because you can add a little extra goodie on the inside, right? We also released our Happy Summer Fold It. Now, the Happy Summer Fold It is awesome because it has those fun big words. Look at that. Happy summer to you. Wouldn't that be fun to send that card to someone? And we released the fun checkered background. Look at that. Whoa, I just love it. It's almost psychedelic, but at the same time, it doesn't have to be if you don't want it to be, which I really love. We also released our grand side grand side card. Look at how awesome that is. Isn't that fun? Now, chances are you already have this shape nested, but now you have a side fold, which is really fun because you can also, ding, 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 do it horizontally as well. The choice is yours. Coming up next, we had our 5x7 turtle Fold It. Let me just tell you, this little critter, and even up here, one of my faves. One of my faves. They're just so adorable. I just want to hug him. I want to take him. I just want to squeeze him because he's so dang cute. We also released our kit club. Now, if you're not in the card kit club, you're missing out on all the extra items that go with our chip set, because it always coordinates with our Stamp and Die Hard Club. So we had fun cutout pages that you could easily die cut. We had fun washi tape. We had this Chip Chip Hooray and this A1 card base with the reverse corners. So fun. Then we also released, and kind of almost a re-release because now it's finally on the website, is the heart edge card with the row on the side. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at the intricacy over here. But look how fun it is. You can add those hearts right there, and then you're going to open it up. And look at that. Isn't that fun? I love it. We also released our Holidays Forever. Holidays Forever in two different forms. So we had it in die form for our Fold-Its. For our Flip Its and the extra items I took on HSN. I hope you didn't miss them, but there's a lot on here. There's Happy Easter, Happy Birthday, Happy Thanksgiving, You Mean the World to Me, and Thank You. So much fun. And the words that coordinate with our family forever. We also released, are you ready for this? And oh goodness, I don't even have them here. It's the stamps, the alphabet that matches. So if you want to do fun things like we are here for you 24/7, or always share a smile, whatever you want to say, now you can say it in a font and size that matches our other stamp sets. Here's another one that says flowers. Look at how awesome that is. You can have it say anything you want because the choice is yours. We also released Cardstock. Now, these are not new colors, but instead, these are colors that you might not have maybe wanted a full 24 pack of. Well, now you can get these newer colors in a pack itself. It's called Vintage. It has some awesome colors in it. It has the gorgeous blue slate. It has the fun twig. It has the sunflower. It has the sunset. It has the sage. And it has my all-time favorite, the berry. Now, this kit just alone by itself is absolutely stunning, isn't it? So go check that out as well. Now, my friends, I do not want you to miss out on any of the new products that we have. Make sure you are signed up for our email newsletter. Make sure you're getting that. We usually send out one a week. Make sure you're getting that and all our updates as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when we go live and when we release new videos. Make sure you also check out thestampsoflife.com because we always have brand new, fun, exciting things going on and you will not want to miss out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.